Good evening, everyone. Here's the day-end market roundup for the Colombo Stock Exchange on August 19, 2025, brought to you by Sinfin Securities. The all-share price index closed at 20,571.07, up 100.55 points, a gain of 0.49%. The S&P SL 20 finished at 6,055.92, up 58.46 points, rising 0.97%. Overall, sentiment was positive across the board, with blue chips leading the advance and broader market support keeping indices in the green. Today, the total market capitalization stood at 7,227.14 billion rupees, reflecting the overall value of all listed companies. The total market turnover for the day was 10.85 billion rupees, indicating active trading in the market. Total crossings amounted to 8.03 billion rupees, with the highest crossings recorded by Hatton National Bank and Sampath Bank. Domestic investors led market purchases, contributing 10,351.06 million rupees, or 95% of total buying activity. Foreign investors accounted for 498.23 million rupees, representing the remaining 5%. On the selling side, domestic investors recorded 8,168.10 million rupees, making up 75% of total sales, while foreign sales amounted to 2,681.19 million rupees, or 25% of the market. Now, let's look at the top gainers of the day. Standard Capital led the advances with strong buying interest, followed by Amana Tocqueville Life, which continued its upward momentum. The Autodrome also recorded notable gains, while Carson Cumberbatch added further strength. Amana Tocqueville rounded off the list, attracting renewed investor attention. Conversely, here are the top losers of the day. Tess Agro, non-voting, led the declines, followed by Senkadagala Finance Company, with Tess Agro, voting, also closing lower. Laxapana added to the downside, while Mercantile Shipping Company rounded off the list of laggards. Now, let's look at the top positive contributors to the ASPI for the day. Commercial Bank of Ceylon led the gains and provided significant upward support to the index, followed by Hatton National Bank and Carson Cumberbatch, both of which added meaningful weight to the rally. Sampath Bank also helped lift the index, while Bukit Dara rounded out the list of top contributors. Finally, let's take a look at the top negative contributors to the all-share price index for the day. John Keells Holdings led the declines and trimmed significant value from the index, followed by Selinco Holdings and Senkadagala Finance Company, which also weighed on market performance. National Development Bank added further pressure, while Melstacorp rounded off the list of key laggards. Thank you.